What if I told you that ChatGPT-5 just dropped features that could build websites, write sales scripts, analyze your business, and make you actual real money, even if you've never coded or sold anything online? Today, I'm going to show you 5 insane new ChatGPT-5 features that are not just cool, they are practical moneymakers. Feature 1. Code Interpreter, or Python Pro. Use this to create automation bots, data dashboards, or generate trading models, even crypto bots, and sell dashboards, analyze datasets, offer automated solutions to small businesses. Feature 2. Custom GPTs. Build a chatbot that sells products, answers customer support, or acts as a virtual assistant. And sell pre-built GPTs on marketplaces, Fiverr, or bundle them with digital products. Feature 3. Image to Anything, Multimodal Visual AI. Upload a screenshot, diagram, or product, and ChatGPT-5 will generate copy, blog posts, ads, or even explain what to improve. And use it for product reviews, Amazon listings, YouTube thumbnails, etc. Feature 4. Voice mode and role-playing. ChatGPT-5 can now talk like a human, great for mock interviews, sales scripts, and interactive training, and offer AI-powered practice interviews, sales training, or voice-based courses. Feature 5. Autonomous task chaining. Tell it to create and publish a full blog post with SEO tags and a thumbnail. It will handle the full workflow. And sell full AI-generated content packages to bloggers, YouTubers, Shopify store owners. AI is no longer a toy. It's a business weapon. You can sit back and scroll, or you can use this to build a real automated income stream in 2025. Comment below which feature blew your mind the most. Like, subscribe, and let ChatGPT-5 start working for you.